right? So I'm gonna cut right here because I didn't have any shorter inches in stock, so I had to use a 18-inch to do this. But really, she did not want it now, so we're gonna cut it to like maybe a 14 inches in length. Okay. So now we're gonna layer cut. What I'm gonna do is start my layers here because she want a lot of body. So I'm way up there. I'm gonna leave a lot of sideburns here because the person coming to pick up the wig, I'm not sure how the fitting is going to be. So I'm guessing I might have to cut the sideburn off. So just in case, I'm going to leave a little bit more hair here, just so by the time, you know, it's put on, she'll be able to cut whatever needs to be cut. this. And then I'm gonna use my flat iron to really lay the curls how I want them to lay. So this is just one step towards the style that I'm going to be doing. That's not gonna be the exact curls. I just like to do a lot of curls for body, you know. If you're looking for body instead of just flat ironing, I think it's best to use a big, nice curling iron so you could achieve that. So I'm gonna let it set a little bit more. And guys, you notice I didn't put pins over here because I didn't want the curls to be tight. I want it to be kind of flowy. Comment below, let me know if you understand what I'm saying. I feel like I get a better bounce, a better body, a better movement when the hair is set before you start curling. I like to use this flat iron when I'm trying to achieve that luxurious type of style, right? So I'm gonna comb the curls out first. Comb the curls out. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm hardly curling. I'm trying to remove some of the curls actually. It's not on high, it's on low. But you see what I'm doing? Okay, so this is the vibe we're going for. So we're gonna do that throughout. I just like to set my style by curling it so that my curls can really, really last. I already curled it, styled it. I already tinted the lace, and now I'm about to put her on the mannequin. this mannequin so we could see the beauty of it. Let me push the cap back a little bit. Okay. The pins to hold her down for me. And I think I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna cut a little bit of hair off. So when it's on her neck, you know the hair is not just chilling in the back and folding and stuff. Sometimes you want to eyeball the things that you want to do as you are styling your hair, you know? That's why I never like to cut short in the beginning. I like to cut shorter as I go, because you can fix a cut that's too long, but you cannot fix a cut that's too short. You got to do another style once you do that. This is it. It's sexy. It's just sexy now. I want to put this over my head so you guys can see. I got dreads, so it's not gonna fall exactly how it's gonna fall on her head, on the customer head, but you guys will surely see how it would look. It'll give you an idea. She is beautiful. I'm about to put her on my head right now. This. The band is not tight. But I need you guys to see. See? When you curl your hair before you actually style your unit the right way, the correct way, no matter how your curls are flipped, how windy it gets, yeah, the curl's gonna get out of place, but when you're ready to fix it back into place, it's gonna just flow, you know? So it's all about techniques, the way you cut, the way you curl, the way you set, the way you style. It's all of that in one. So if your curls are not coming like this after you curl it, learn some of my techniques. Products as well. Don't use any hard spray like spritz. Even got to be glue spray. Don't use that. Like what I use to achieve a little bit of hold is this. I would recommend this to you guys at all times. It's very good on curls, you know, so use this to achieve, you know, flowy curls. And I use like a light oil. I purchased that from a hair show that I went to, you know, and I like it because it's not oily. It's not oily. I don't even know. Damn, the information is not on here. Man, sorry about that. But I got it from a hair show. It's like a light oil. You probably could use any type of hair oil that's not heavy. I'm about to pack her so she could be on her way. And it's done. Just like that. So she could bring it forward if she likes. Bring it forward if she likes. However way she want to wear it. You know? It's up to her. But this is it, guys. And I am out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, comment under this tutorial. Let me know what you guys would like for me to do more of, you know, and I'm gonna go ahead and work on it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.